How to block a buyer on eBay. So here is how to block a buyer. First of all you have to do is open the preferred web browser, then tap on the search address bar and type down eBay and navigate to the eBay's official website, where you have to make sure that you are logged into your eBay account, or you can simply create a new one. So now once inside the eBay's official website, all you have to do is you can see help and contact option available at the top tabs. Now tap on the help and contacts. Once you tap on the help and contacts, all you have to do is search for the block buyer in the search address bar and hit enter. Once you do so, once you search for the block buyer, you will get to see block buyer tab option available there. Tap on the button, blue highlights, and once you tap on it, now there in the box all you have to do is type down the buyer's username or the email address and simply tap on the save or any continuing process option available there. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.